Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through putting your 2026 Tesla Model Y into neutral, focusing on the updated UI and tow instructions. Tesla's new V13.5 software has revamped the shifting interface, making it easier than ever. This video covers the standard method and the specific steps for towing, ensuring you're fully informed about safe and proper vehicle operation. Tesla's 2026 Model Y features a completely redesigned touchscreen interface for gear selection. Gone is the traditional physical shifter. Instead, you'll interact with the vehicle's controls through the central touchscreen display. At the center of this new system is the drive icon on the touchscreen. This replaces the old shifter mechanism with a modern digital approach. You can engage neutral mode in two ways, either by tapping the drive icon directly or by using voice commands. For example, simply say "shift to neutral" and the system responds instantly. The interface is gesture-based, making it intuitive and quick to use. When you select a gear, you'll feel haptic feedback through the touchscreen for confirmation. This tactile response ensures you know the command was received. First, ensure your Model Y is completely stationary with the brake pedal engaged. This is a safety requirement before engaging neutral mode. Next, on the central touchscreen, locate the drive icon. This is where the virtual shifter controls are accessed. Tap the drive icon to bring up the virtual shifter interface. The 2026 UI supports gesture-based controls and haptic feedback for a more intuitive experience. From the virtual shifter options, select N for neutral. You can also use voice commands by saying "Hey Tesla, shift to neutral" in the updated V13.5 software. The system may prompt you for confirmation, especially if it detects any slight motion. This safety feature prevents accidental neutral engagement. Once confirmed, your Model Y will be in neutral mode, allowing free rolling for towing or other purposes while maintaining safety protocols. Neutral mode disengages the motor from the wheels, allowing the car to roll freely. This is useful in situations such as car washes or when the car needs to be moved without power. In neutral mode, the car can roll freely without engine power. Note that regenerative braking is disabled in neutral, so the car won't slow down automatically when you release the accelerator. Use the brake. For towing, it's critical to properly prepare your Model Y to prevent damage to the electric motors. Never tow a Tesla Model Y without putting it into tow mode. Tow mode is accessed through the service menu on the touchscreen. This disengages the motors and prevents them from generating electricity while being towed. To engage tow mode, first ensure the car is stationary. This safety requirement prevents accidental activation while driving. Navigate to service mode by holding the brake pedal and pressing the service button on the touchscreen. This combination ensures intentional access to service functions. You may need to enter a PIN for security. This protects against unauthorized access to service functions. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate tow mode. The system will guide you through the necessary steps to prepare your car for safe towing. Always refer to your Tesla Model Y's manual for the most up-to-date instructions. This ensures you have the latest safety guidelines and procedures. Ensure your car's software is updated to the latest version to access all features. Tesla's over-the-air updates include important safety enhancements for neutral and tow modes. Double-check that tow mode is properly engaged before towing. The vehicle should be in a safe state with all systems disengaged. Incorrect towing can cause serious damage to your vehicle, including to the electric motors and battery system. Always use proper towing methods like flatbed transport. Never enable tow mode while driving. This mode is only for stationary vehicles and could lead to loss of control or accidents. If you encounter issues with neutral or tow mode, common problems include outdated firmware, unresponsive voice commands, forgotten pins, or the vehicle not being stationary. Solutions involve updating via the app, using touchscreen backups, resetting pins online, and ensuring proper parking. For help, visit the Tesla support website, contact service, use the app, or refer to the owner's manual. These procedures prioritize safety and vehicle protection.